Okay, so I did initially include this in, it might have been my wash day video after 7 years. I'll leave we'll try to leave a link in either the description box or in this video. But I just wanted to share separately how I line up my locks and clean them up in the back. So if you like to see that, keep watching. So after getting my hair tied up in a bun, then at the very bottom of on my neck, I pull all the hairs that are not in the locks um, away from them, and this is after I have retightened them. I don't do this before because there's usually a lot of new growth, and I don't want to cut the new growth that could potentially end up in my lock. After I've separated that, then I get my husband's liners, and they were dirty, so I needed to clean them. It's important to make sure that your clippers are clean so you don't get those bumps on the back of your neck. I had to go get them out of my son's room. I'm sorry, not get them. Get the cleaner out of my son's room because that was the last place that I had it. So I went to get the cleaner, and I'm using this cool something. Well, I'm gonna show it in a minute. Cool Care, there it is. I'm using that for the cleaners by Andy's, and I just spray it on and rinse the clippers out to get all of the hair out. That did take a minute, but then after I did that, you can see how much cleaner they are. It looks so much better until the next time I have to use them, and then I'll clean them again. So now that the clippers are clean, I'm gonna use my hand as a guide, and I place it over the bottom part of each lock, and then so that I don't cut higher than where my finger is. That's why I place it at the bottom. And then I take the liners and I try to make sure I cut going down my neck instead of up, which will decrease the chances of me cutting into one of my locks. So yeah, I'm gonna do that all the way across the bottom of my head using my fingers as a guard. That's the word I was looking for. At the very end here, the hardest part for me to get just right is at the very middle back of my head. I do end up just taking that little piece and twisting it up into that particular lock. I didn't show this part, but the clippers did die and I didn't feel like charging them, so that was as good as it got, but it was clean enough that it doesn't look like, at least in my opinion, it doesn't look like I have dirt sitting on the back of my neck. So after that, then I sterilized my neck, and I grabbed some paper towel and alcohol, and I just put a little bit on the paper towel and then clean my neck off, which is what you'll see next. And then after that, I'm done. So if you made it this far into the video, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to see more videos, please turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I post more content. And I will see you in the next one.